We're at a long lake lot. It is on the end of Basco Lane North. So this was an island, and they put a culvert in, brought a driveway out here. There's power. So the lot is from here. It's all of this goes down probably to that power pole. Nice mature hardwoods on here. This is a little bit of a cul-de-sac area that does eat up into a little bit of the lot, like right here. But they have, the couple that bought this was going to build a home here, and then their layout just didn't work on this lot. So they do have a fire number. The lot actually does go down this driveway. There is one house at the very end here. They are year-round. And this is a seasonal home on this side, so there are two other homes down here. And so there's a couple jogs in the lot line if you come and look at it. Definitely bring a map. But they did put power in here. They had a camper that they parked here, which is allowed. And there is a power, actually a meter here with the RV hookup on it. So this is actually one of the corner stakes. Again, it's a little odd because of the cul-de-sac. Kind of takes a circle out of it. And you can kind of see peeking through there. There's the neighbor. I'll go down to the water. See that power pole I walked down? There is definitely some slope to this. A while back, they did have the birch were kind of dying off, so they did have that logged, so there is a little bit of a logging road in here. But still think this would work really good for, it's a big lot, and there's plenty of places to build here. It's just that the design of the home with the directional of the walkout just didn't work out for this couple. They had their dream home and they didn't want to modify the plans. So, but you can see where the water is glistening there. We'll head down there. So there's some nice level spots to, clear your spot. This is a great area here. And again, some just really nice mature trees. So they had a little spot opened up here. Give a good look around. So they don't really have a good spot to walk down here a little bit, but just want to show the sand frontage. There's a log floating there, but this is a very clear lake. You got all really nice sand frontage here, even though it's not developed. More the frontage here. So this has 230 feet of frontage, I believe, and so it goes here and then goes all the way around the corner. Again, this is just a kind of a big peninsula. I call it an island. It does have a road to it, so I guess it's technically not an island. This is the lot from this vantage point, and then you look across to this is another point. And again, there's a couple little cabins along here. That's County B. And then this is a 130 acre lake, and then it connects to Bass Lake, which is another 100 acres. Just a really nice lake system, 7 miles of shoreline. So you can see that lot on the end is undeveloped. I don't think it would ever be developed. There's a guy that lives across from it. He doesn't want to see anybody. He's got a pretty nice house. And then on the end of this point, so the lot line ends somewhere over there. And then the end of this point is that end lot that they just built the home on.